Hey, now say now, man, y'all cooking with the Don. We working on that Tomahawk today. We got him seasoned up, real swell. And we finna throw him on that joint, man. I'm finna add this garlic butter, man. Y'all just pay attention. We're gonna dump him back up in there, man. You did? Oh boy.